Silver Sands is not just your typical boutique hotel, it's a restored 1950s waterfront escape on 45 acres in Greenport. This year-round haven has beachfront cabins and bungalows, retro chic motel rooms, fully equipped suites, and even 2 stunning private beach houses. One of my favorite things about Silver Sands is that each space has its own vintage-style decor, so it's a new experience every time you visit.
Well, Silver Sands, the motel was originally built in 1957 by the Jazinia family, and it was owned by them up until 2022. We offer a number of amenities for people. There's bicycles that people can take into town. We have a couple bocce ball courts. We also offer people can rent kayaks and paddleboards so they can be out in Pipes Cove.
Nookies is a reimagined roadside diner that is trendy and picturesque, but has a warm, nostalgic feel. For seasonal dining on the water, they have Eddie's Oyster Bar, where you can get Mediterranean-style cuisine and the freshest oysters from their very own oyster farm. This historic boathouse was preserved with its original nautical decor and will now function as a full bar and unique meeting space.
This is really an analog way of kind of leisure, and so we take it really seriously that people choose to spend their most valuable resource with us, which is their free time.
Whether you're here for fresh oysters, epic views, or just a chance to unplug, Silver Sands redefines luxury as time well spent. For Discover Long Island, I'm Brianna McEnroe.